Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking compatibility and basics. Confirm your Bsnl SIM is active and that your phone model and firmware support Wi-Fi calling. Many phones show VO Wi-Fi in network settings. Then connect to a reliable Wi-Fi, make sure it has internet. Next, open settings and search for Wi-Fi calling or VO Wi-Fi. Enable it. If prompted, enter your E911 address or agree to terms for safety. Bsnl needs a service address for emergency routing. Once done, proceed to configure preferences. Once Wi-Fi calling is enabled, make sure your phone prefers Wi-Fi over cellular when signal is weak. In call settings, choose Wi-Fi preferred or priority option. This forces calls to route over Wi-Fi automatically. Test by placing a call in airplane mode with Wi-Fi on or compare call quality versus cellular. If the option is missing, restart the device and check carrier updates. Reinsert the Bsnl SIM to trigger provisioning. After verification, make multiple short test calls to confirm stable audio and handover behavior. To finish, test across locations and normal usage. Observe if calls drop when moving between networks. If calls fail, first toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, restart your phone and reboot the router. This resolves most provisioning or NAT issues. Make sure SIPALG is disabled on the router if advanced settings exist, because it can break VO Wi-Fi. If problems persist, contact Bsnl support and provide your device model, OS version, and error messages. That helps them push provisioning or advise carrier-specific fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.